Hi, this Faris here. I create videos on website and app development and automation using AI. In this video, I will show you how to add a chatbot to a website. Now, there are lots of programs, frameworks, and libraries which can be used to create the chatbot. However, my approach is to choose the most optimum and efficient workflow in terms of cost and ease of use. In this example, I will use Google AI Studio to create the front end part of the website, and I will use n8n to create the back end RAG workflow. I will host the n8n on a VPS called as Contabo. This VPS costs only around $2 per month. I will create the workflow, host it over Contabo, then create the front end interface. So the prerequisites for this setup are: one, you need to have an OpenAI API key. Second, you need to sign up with Google AI Studio. And the third, sign up with Contabo VPS. So now, without any further ado, let's dive into the steps. So here on the screen, you can see this my Contabo dashboard. I have logged into my account. And once you simply click on this icon, which is showing n8n, it will open this n8n workflow. So here I have created a simple RAG workflow. On the left side of the screen is the part to upload our files in the form of PDF or CSV files. And on the right side of the screen, you can see the AI agent, which has the query tool, the OpenAI chat model. I have created one detailed video on how to create the simple RAG workflow. It's on the link above. You can click the link and access that video for further details on a step-by-step instructions. So what we have to do is we have to train our chatbot by clicking on this upload PDF form. Once you click on this form, you can upload your file here. So you just click on execute workflow and choose files, and then select your files, upload, and your chatbot will be trained on the data contents of this file. Then once you have trained this, you have to create this front end using Google AI Studio. Here you can give the prompts. I have simply given one simple prompt of creating a front end iframe sidebar for a chat user interface using the URL which I will get from the my n8n workflow. So how to get the URL? You go over to the n8n workflow, and on the chat box, if you just double click over it, you will see here make chat publicly available. So you have to click on this link, on this button, and copy this link. And also one more important thing is you have to click on this workflow to make it active. If you don't activate this, your URL will not be available to the Google AI Studio. So once you have provided the link to the Google AI Studio and use that to embed in the iframe, it has given me this chat sidebar. And here if I ask questions according to that PDF file, like for example, give me a summary of the products, and click on it, it will give me the contents of the file which I have uploaded on the RAG workflow. So as you can see, it has provided me laptops 5 quantity HP, desktops 10 Apple, monitors 20 quantity of Samsung, and mobile 100 quantity in Apple. This is the data which I have provided in the PDF format and trained my chatbot upon. And this is the sidebar which I get on the website, and this is completely free. So as you can see, by using Google AI Studio, we have created this front end of our application, and we have used n8n dashboard for automation for creating the chatbot, and we have used Contabo as a server, as a VPS to host this workflow. So this is the basic setup for this adding chatbot workflow. Now let's see the total cost of the solution. Contabo costs for around 3 USD per month approximately. If you go for a 12 months package, it will be further reduced. Google AI Studio is completely free and OpenAI API is completely free. You just need, let's say maybe around 5 USD to just get the API keys. But this key you can use for multiple workflows, for multiple applications. If you check for any other solutions, it will cost around USD 40 minimum per month, and our solution is just 5 USD per month. So definitely this is a cost effective solution. If you need any further details, please feel free to put your requirements in the comments. I will ensure that I will reply to your message. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it has added any value, kindly consider to subscribe so that you will be notified whenever I upload any more videos. Thanks for your time. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.